Proper use of MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to install MyFitnessPal app from your Play Store in Android. Then sign up MyFitnessPal app, add your age, your weight and your height. Now open the app. In this way, at the bottom you can see here dashboard that will calculate your daily workouts and your meal calories calculation. Now move on diary here. In this way you can add and make diary of your diet plans. At the third option you can see news feed. You will get your posts here, new plans. You can see here different types of workouts, walkings, nutritions and the meal plans. In this way you can use properly your MyFitnessPal app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.